So, you have made a decision?
Yes. It was hard. But I have.
Which model are you going with?
The Gizmotron Y436.
An excellent choice. It has total state-of-the-art performance. It is a fabulous piece of equipment. It is beautifully designed and has a great record for durability. Everyone who buys them raves about them. The Gizmotron Y436 is our top-selling unit in the category. You could not have made a better choice. You are going to be very happy with your choice. Believe me, it is the best value for your money. No question.
And the price is $279. Is that correct?
Yes. It is on sale. 40% off. Today only.
Good. I'm a little unsure about whether I should get it. But the great price makes it easier. I'm really excited about this.
Good. Would you like to purchase the extended warranty for it?
What is that?
It will cover anything that goes wrong with the unit. If anything happens to the Gizmotron, you just bring it back to us and we will give you a new one. No questions asked.
How much does it cost?
It is $219 for 3 years. It is a great deal. You just bring it back and we give you a new one if anything goes wrong. No questions asked.
But doesn't it have a warranty included?
Yes. But you can only bring it back here to the store for a very short period of time. After that you have to send it back to the manufacturer if anything goes wrong with it.
How long is the in-store exchange warranty good for?
60 minutes.
But I can't get home and set it up and see if it is working properly before the 60 minutes is up.
How far away do you live?
About 6 miles.
Oh. Actually, the basic in-store exchange warranty is for 60 minutes or 5 miles. If you travel more than 5 miles, then you have to send it back to the manufacturer if there is a problem.
I see. How often does the Gizmotron have problems?
Pretty often.
But you said it has a great record for durability and is the top-selling unit in its category. You also said it is the best value for my money.
Yes. Absolutely. It is all those things. The other products are even worse. They are complete crap.
Okay, I will take the warranty extension.
Excellent decision. You won't regret it. Would you like to buy replacement insurance?
What is that?
It is a new program that we have. If a new model Gizmotron comes out at any time in the next 12 months, you can upgrade to it for practically nothing.
How much does it cost?
$162.
So, if there is a new model, I can just exchange the Y436 for the new one?
Yes. You get 40% off the price of the new unit, no matter how much it costs.
But that is not the same as exchanging it for a new one.
But you get a brand new unit for 40% off. That is better than having an old and outdated model that your friends laugh about behind your back.
I suppose. Do you know when there will be a new Gizmotron model?
They change the models every 6 months. So there will be a new one in 2 months.
So I should also be able to get the model after the next one with the replacement insurance policy as well. It is good for 12 months and the first new one will be in 2 months and then the next one will be 6 months after that. That is 8 months in total. So I will be good for 2 more models into the future.
No. You only get 1 replacement per policy. If you want another one, you have to buy another replacement policy.
Okay, maybe I should get the replacement insurance.
Would you like to be in our Club Flim Flam program?
What is that?
You buy a card and then you get these great discounts and earn rewards to buy other things.
How big a discount?
40% off every purchase you make.
How much does it cost?
$25 a year.
That seems like a good deal. I get one now, then I can have 40% off everything that I buy today.
No. Everything you buy after tomorrow. But it is good for a whole year. Plus it renews automatically whether you want it to or not. That is another great feature. You never have to worry about it expiring.
What if I change my mind about it? Can I cancel it?
Sure. All you have to do is give us 300 days notice in writing.
Okay, I would like a club card. Thank you.
That is great. Your total purchase today comes to $685. That is before tax. After tax it is $774.05. How would you like to pay for that?
Debit card, please.
Great. Because you are using debit, I will give you some extra batteries for the controller. That is part of the club program. Would you like to buy extended warranty insurance for the batteries? I can give you 40% off. Today only.